Hi there, my name is Diego Roberts Buceta, and I'm accompanied by Paul Hauser, and today we will be modeling situations with sinusoidal graphs.
The situation we will be modeling today is you need a graph of the tides to help plan your upcoming fishing trip.
First, we need to write an equation before modeling with a graph.
In order to make our equation, we first need a p-value, an a-value, a b-value, a c-value, and a d-value. Your p-value is your period, your a-value is your amplitude, the b-value is 2 pi over the period, c-value is midline, and d-value is phase shift. In this case, it's easiest to start with the period, which will be 24 hours. Then we can move on to the b-value, which is just 2 pi over your period, which in this case can be simplified from 2 pi over 24 to pi over 12. Then we can move on to our a-value, which is the high tide minus the midline, or the height that the tide gets from its average height, which in this case will be 5 feet. Then we can move on to our c-value, which is the average height of the tide, which will be 12 feet in this example. Then we can move on to d, or the phase shift, which is the time when the cycle starts, which will be 1 in the morning for this example.
Plugging these numbers into the following equation will give you the sinusoidal graph of the tides. Y equals A sine times B times x minus d plus c.
This is what the equation looks like with the numbers plugged in. This is what the graph of your final equation will look like. The midline right here is 12, and it's represented in your equation right here. The maximum point is at 1 because of your phase shift of 1, and it's at 17 on the y-axis because of your amplitude of 5, so 12 plus 5 is 17. And your pi over 12 makes the period 24 because so it goes from 1 to 25.
We hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you a better understanding of what sinusoidal modeling is.